job that my successor is DC. And during that time, I worked with someone that David knows very well, who used to just go to that chapter.
Today we're honoring someone that's really, truly lived and breathed CCIM for the last 2002 when you started. It's just this show. Go ahead. It's been Tomo when Terry first started.
This is not about me, this is about others. We are going to celebrate Terry Shores, our executive director from 20 years. BGAM, representative from BGAM, where are you? No. Mechanics Bank, Mechanics Bank. California Bank of Commerce. Windsor Management. There we are. Thank you for your help. Nova Tour. That's Max. From Max, where are you? I can see you. AEI Consultants. Representative from AEI.
The Northern California CCIM chapter. You will represent your fellow designees, candidates, and members of the highest standards of this profession. Do you understand and accept the responsibilities and duties of the office that you are about to undertake, and do you pledge to uphold the bylaws of the Northern California CCIM chapter? If so, say, I do. By the virtue of my authority as a 2023 CCIM Global President, it is my pleasure to install you as President for 2024 of the Northern California CCIM chapter.
I was rehearsing my speech and trying to bring the best game that I can, and I found myself getting really emotional. So I'm going to try to keep this a little brief. Besides, I think we have somebody else to honor today.
Actually, following Mark Hinckley's footsteps, Mark was also serving teacher. He served 2 terms as president, and then he went on to become RVP as well. And he also did the JWL Leadership Academy with the Institute. Literally, I'm doing everything that he's been doing.
Ron Cruz. Newark. Jamie Furlong. I don't know, did Jamie make it?